Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the vast expanse of space and time. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this cosmic adventure. Today, we're going to explore some exciting developments in the field of radio astronomy. Imagine being able to listen to the universe in unprecedented detail with a telescope that can survey the cosmos 100 times faster than any other known telescope in the world. Sounds like science fiction, but it's not. Caltech's new Deep Synoptic Array, or DSA, is set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, and it's going to make all its data available to anyone, scientist or citizen scientist alike. The DSA will consist of 650 radio dishes, spanning roughly 12 by 10 miles in the Nevada desert. This massive array will be supported by a supercomputer capable of synthesizing the flood of data into crisp images in real time. The universe is humming with intergalactic radio signals from pulsars to black holes, and the DSA will be able to detect them all with unprecedented clarity. But what's truly remarkable about this project is its commitment to openness and collaboration. By making all its data available to the public, Caltech hopes to inspire a new generation of astronomers and scientists, and perhaps even lead to breakthroughs from unexpected quarters. As Caltech astronomer Greg Hallinan noted, there will be enough discoveries to occupy every radio astronomer on the planet. With fully public, science-ready data, some of these discoveries may even be made by a high school student with a clever idea. The DSA is expected to discover about 1 billion new radio sources by the end of its initial survey, a staggering number that will likely rewrite our understanding of the universe. We'll be keeping a close eye on this project as it develops, and we can't wait to see what secrets the universe has in store for us. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the fascinating world of cosmology and exploring one of the most intriguing mysteries in modern astrophysics, the Hubble tension. This discrepancy between the expansion of the universe predicted by the leading cosmological model and what we measure around us has been a topic of intense debate among scientists for over a decade. Joining me today are several experts in the field who share their insights on this complex issue. Marina Cortez, a cosmologist from the University of Lisbon, believes that while it's exciting to consider the possibility of new physics, the Hubble tension might be explained by unknown systematics or pipeline errors. She warns that if the community deems the Hubble tension as a globally established result without fully exhausting these possibilities, it may lead to years of ill-advised research and potentially damage the reputation of cosmologists. On the other hand, Stefano Casertano from the Space Telescope Science Institute argues that the evidence for the Hubble tension is mounting, with multiple measurements accumulating over the years. He suggests that the discrepancy might be telling us that there's another piece to cosmology that we haven't considered yet, and that science often operates by resolving discrepancies between theory and observations. Other experts, like Raul Jimenez and Adam Rios, propose alternative explanations for the Hubble tension, such as modifications to the standard model of cosmology or new physics beyond our current understanding. As Gizmodo's own reporting highlights, the smart bet might be that we're missing an astrophysical piece in the distance ladder rather than new fundamental physics. The discussion around the Hubble tension is a testament to the ongoing quest for knowledge and understanding in the field of cosmology. As scientists continue to explore and refine their theories, one thing is certain: the universe always has the last word. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, we're going to take a closer look at a critical situation that has been unfolding in space, one that underscores the complexities and challenges of international cooperation in the pursuit of space exploration. The issue at hand involves the International Space Station, ISS, and a potentially catastrophic problem with its structure. The ISS, a marvel of human ingenuity and collaboration, has been orbiting Earth since 1998, serving as a research laboratory, observatory, and testbed for spaceflight technologies. However, like any aging structure, especially one exposed to the harsh environment of space, it faces numerous challenges, including wear and tear on its components. At the heart of this story is the Parquet module, part of the Russian segment of the ISS. This module has been experiencing cracks due to corrosion, leading to leaks when pressure is applied or reduced within the module. The situation became particularly dire in early June with the discovery of new cracks, bringing the total to about 16 and an increase in leak rates. The implications of these structural issues are profound. If not properly addressed, there's a risk of a catastrophic failure of the Parquet module, which could lead to depressurization of the ISS, putting the lives of astronauts at risk. The seriousness of this situation prompted a significant response from NASA, including directing astronauts to seek safe haven in the SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft as a precautionary measure. The standoff between NASA and Russian officials over how to address the issue highlights the complexities of international cooperation in space exploration. On one hand, there's a deep-seated desire to work together towards common goals, such as advancing our understanding of space and ensuring the continued operation of critical infrastructure like the ISS. On the other hand, there are concerns about safety, responsibility, and the potential consequences of actions taken in space. In a positive development, it appears that Russia has agreed to decommission the Parquet module, effectively mitigating the risk of a sudden depressurization event. This decision represents a significant step forward for the safety of the ISS and its crew, demonstrating that even in the face of adversity, cooperation and dialogue can lead to resolutions that benefit all parties involved. As we reflect on this situation, it's a powerful reminder of the challenges and triumphs of space exploration. The pursuit of knowledge and advancement in space is not without its risks, but through collaboration, determination, and a commitment to safety, we can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.